Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kumno ban kren phareng haka Jingialang paitbah. Kane ka video kan iarap yapi. Lada pi asneu jing mentoy na kane ka video wanam klen ban share lam shaki perlok lane haying hasem jongpi wanam kladro ban like share and subscribe. Alangin ya page kane ka jing hikai. It's an honor for me to be here. Kasi kalong kaburam yanga ban don hangne. Thank you, John, for inviting me. Kasi kublai shibon John ya kajing khot jongpi yanga. To attend these programs. Kasi bandon lang ha kane programs. It's my first time to be here. Kasi kalong kasin ban gong yana bandon hangne. Actually, I supposed to gong last year. Kasi ha kajing shisha nga lamon banwan man shamsnam. But today, by God grace, I come here. Kasi henrei menta kasni da kajing isin ay jong uplay nga lawan hangne. Thank you all of you for your patience. Kasi kublay shibon yapi baro ya kajing yaisha jongpi. Your village is very clean and beautiful. Kasi kashnong jongpi kalong kabakuj but internet. The people here is very good. Kasi kibriu hangne kilong kibabha. Let your village be an example to others. Kasi aiba kashnong jongpi kanlong kanuksa ya kiwaipat. I want to give you some message. Kasi ngakwa ban ay yapi kato katne kikubor. Whatever you doing, don't lose hope. Kasi kano kaba pile wadu jengkerman. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Kasi haba pisngau bakumba pin ino kenmau balay pisdang. In our life, always ups and down. Kasi hakajing im jongi barabor kadon kajing siu bag kajing here. When you are doing goods, God will bless you. Kasi haba pile ya kababha ublay un kurku yapi. Always be a humble person. Kasi barabor tolong kibriu kibas ngaurin. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Kasi tangkine kikantin kibakandian ngan penkut no ya kane kajing kren jonga. Hope we will meet again. Kasi kermen ngin saya kendo bat. See you in the next video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.